Next person, Mr. Sirish. Okay. तो मिस्टर सरीश, हम आपकी कॉल लेंगे और इसके बाद ये सेशन दोबारा रिकंटिन्यू करेंगे. Can I take the call?
Thank you, Dax.
Yeah, good afternoon, Amit ji.
Good afternoon. And now I will ask, with permission of Mr. Amit ji, I would love to ask the question to Mr. Sarish.
Very good afternoon, Sarish ji.
So, Sarish ji, my question is that. Sirish, sorry. If I'm sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, boliye.
So how to create a laser sharp focus? Not a focus, but laser sharp focus. Laser sharp focus, how to create that?
Okay. So when do I start?
Yes, exactly, you can.
First of all, am I audible?
Yes, exactly.
Clearly? Am I visible?
Clearly visible.
Okay. I am going to start. Good afternoon, friends. The question is, what is a laser sharp focus and how do we get it? First of all, we need to understand what is a focus. Some people say you focus with your eyes. मतलब हमको जो दिखता है, what we see is based on the focus of your eyes. Some people say what you see is the focus of your mind and the brain. And some people say what you see is the focus of your heart. So where does this come from? And what you are focusing on? For me, you can create a razor sharp focus or a laser sharp focus based on three things. One, what is the interest on the subject or the thing which you are pursuing? Number two, how passionate are you to drive that and ensure that you are going to achieve that? And number three, how far you are going to struggle and take on lot of difficulties to achieve that. These three things for me are the focus points. I lose any of them, I lose my focus. Yes, any of these three, even one I lose the entire focus. So it is said, always, what is the razor of focus? We need not go to any Western management guru. Let's look at our own Mahabharata. When the question was asked to Arjuna by Dronacharya, see, that is the tree. What do you see? Do you see the tree? No. Do you see the branch? No. Do you see the leaves? No. Do you see the bird? No. What do you see? I see only the eye of the bird. That Arjuna said, that is the razor sharp focus which somebody should have in life. And how did it come? Arjuna had that passion to be the best archer in the world. Arjuna had the interest to be. And thirdly, Arjuna has survived all the struggles in the world to become that razor sharp focus. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sari. You are a wonderful speaker, amazing.
Very nice, sir. Very nice.
टाइम की बाउंडेशन नहीं होती तो आप
we should have your motivational talk then.
Aji, मैं सुना नहीं.
No, we need one motivational talk from you.
देखिए, हम लोग इंद्रजीत मैडम बोल रही थी, लाइक माइंडेड पीपल बैठे हैं तो लाइक माइंडेड विचार थोड़ा व्यक्त करना पड़ता है, तो इसलिए.
Exactly true.
Fantastic, very nice.
So my dear friend, ये सेशन खत्म हो रहा है अगले 4 मिनट में.
I know they have left the group, Daksh and Parth. So they have spoken really well because they've gone beyond their age. Their imagination skills have really played, because you really need to analyze first and then evaluate. They have done it very well. They've spoken with confidence. Means for their age, we have to see. So they've executed very well. So congrats to them. And also to you, sir. You have spoken exactly, because hardly people take from Bhagavad Gita, people hardly take from spirituality these days. I'm really happy that you have taken something and you have even spoken, which really makes me pride. It gives me a sense of pride that, oh, not bad. Yes, really, we need it. We need to implement this to the younger generation as well. Actually, these things are very important. If you follow this, I think there will be no problems.
Thank you.
Systematically.
let them other to
Yes.
speak something. So you,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have
fine.
done.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah,
Nitya ji. Thank you
yeah.
very much. So, Mr. Preeti Jain, do you want to speak something for compliment to the speakers who has spoken?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So for Parth and Daksh, I think, I mean, I was, my mind was blown literally, because to see these young kids doing such beautiful talks, and that shows their maturity level. The thoughts they had in their mind resonated their maturity. So it was amazing. And yes, sir, Sirish sir, I think as Nitya already mentioned, bringing spirituality and examples from our rich culture and heritage is now mandatory. It is required to be able to, give values to this generation. So I totally, because they are totally drifted from all these things. Yeah, that's it. Over to the next person. Thank you all. And Indrajit, you were